We are into the second part of the trial mix, and in this video I'll show you how to solve the challenges for the Lightning experience customization. The first section of this module is set up your arch. In this unit you will learn how to create and edit custom objects and fields, and also you will learn how to create custom tab for a custom object. Let's see our challenge. The given challenge is to create a custom object and custom field. Before doing our challenge, you need to know why we use custom object and custom field. Custom object and custom fields are used to manage and store our data. So here we need to create a custom object named as energy audit, and also we have to create the energy audit custom tab, and next we have to create 5 custom fields for the energy audit object. Now launch your playground and go to setup. Click this bell icon, setup button. In setup, click this object manager tab. And here near create, click custom object. For the label, enter it as energy audit, and for plural label, give it as energy audits. And select this start with a vowel sound. So next in the search status, select allow search, and next click this launch new custom tab wizard. Then only you can create the custom tab for that custom object. Click save, and next we need to create the custom object tab. Click this tab style and click this sun icon, and next write something in description. Click next and save. Next we need to add some fields to this object. So go to fields and relationship. First we need to create a pick list field. So click new and choose the field type as pick list. And click next. For field label, give it as type of installation, and for values, select enter values with each value separated by a new line, and mention the given values here. And next click this use first value as default value, and then click next. Again click next and click save and new. Next, select the field type as lookup relationship and click next. Choose the related type as account and click next. In this required field, click always require a value and then click next. Again click next. Click save and new. And next, choose the field type as currency and then click next. The length is 16 and the number of decimal places is 2. For the help text, give account cost per square feet and select always require a value and then click next. Again click next and give save and new. Next, choose the type as number and label the field name as annual energy usage. And give the help text as usage per square foot. And click always require the field and then click next. Next and click save and new. Next, choose the field type as text area. Click next. Label it as audit notes. Click next. Again click next. Click save. We have completed this module. Let's check our challenge. We have completed this module successfully. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.